And hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and today I decided to do a little clean with me video. I see these on YouTube and I think they're just so therapeutic to watch. I love cleaning personally, but it was really hard for me to keep this kitchen dirty for this long just to make this video for you guys, because like when I see something on the counter, it needs to be off the counter immediately. So I'm a little bit of a clean freak when it comes to that, but look how messy it is. I have so much to do and I'm so excited. Cleaning has always been therapeutic for me, and recently since I've been sick, it's gonna be fun just relaxing and cleaning. I know that's gonna sound really weird to some of you, but I personally love it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you. I actually use this natural multi-surface cleaner, and it's plant-derived, non-toxic, sulfate-free, and it's the green tea and lime, and this makes your kitchen smell so good. It comes in a box with 2 bottles, and I ordered this off of Amazon. So if any of you guys are interested, I really love it. I just gave it a try a few months ago and I absolutely love it. So it's called Purity, and it has like a little green tree and a white label. So yeah, it's great. Fun fact, I actually live on a little farm and we have chicken and ducks, and we have natural eggs that come, this is slightly a beige color, this one's a white, and this one is an orange color. So they all make different colored eggs, and I love organic eggs. They don't taste like store eggs, and yeah, they're amazing. So I'm just gonna put this in this cute tray I bought from, I think I bought the tray from Marshall's. Yeah, so it's not in this boring carton, it's in this cute little tray in the fridge. So next I'm gonna do the stainless steel appliances, and I use these wipes called Lyman? I don't know. And yeah, I'm just gonna go over them because they don't leave any streaks. So before my battery rudely interrupted my video, I just had finished vacuuming, and my kitchen is now fully clean, and it was very therapeutic for me. I hope it was therapeutic for you guys watching that all be done. Yeah, and I'm very happy. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you.